Hi ladies, I wanted to do a quick video on the Juliette wallet. I've received requests on this, so I decided it would be a good idea if I do a comparison video between the Recto card holder and the Juliette wallet. Okay, I briefly spoke on the Recto card holder already, but I will go through it once more. In the back of the wallet, it does have 4 slots for cards. It does have a zipper, which can hold more cards inside, or you can keep cash if you like. And I love that it actually goes all the way down to the side, so nothing can come out. In between, it does have a little pocket, and I usually just keep a couple of dollars here, cash. It is stiff and tight, so nothing actually comes out. In the front is a pocket to where I keep business cards. And it also has a key latch to where you can actually attach this to your keys or on the side of your purse. I absolutely love this option. Okay, so cards in the back, cards inside, a slot where you can hold whatever you like. I chose cash, and a front pocket. Okay, moving on to the Juliette wallet. Okay, the Juliette wallet also has a button opening, and it also has a slot for the front. Okay, I would not keep cash in here. I will probably do the same as far as keeping business cards. I do not want it to budge out, so I will actually keep something flat, like I said, business cards. And I love how it does have a button closure. Okay, opening up just like the Recto card holder. Okay, it has 4 credit card slots. It has an inside pocket, just like the Recto card holder has a pocket. This has an inside pocket. Okay, no hidden pocket right here. It's sealed closed. And it does have a zipper opening as well, where you can hold more cards. Okay, it has 2 sides where you can hold more cards. And it also has the option for you to hold cash. Okay, the Recto card holder does not have that option, but the Juliette wallet does. And for me, it's not a deal breaker because I usually do not keep that much cash on me. You know, I have this thing as if I lose one of my wallets, I can always, stop my cards. I can call them, put a stop on it, but with cash, I cannot get it back. So I try not to keep much cash on me. Cards for me is much easier because if something is lost or stolen, I can just make a phone call, get it stopped, and receive more within 7 to 10 business days. But that's how I look at it. So if you have any questions, concerns, anything that you would like to ask me, feel free to do so. But if I had to pick which one that I like the most, it will most definitely be the Recto card holder. I do take this with me every day. The Juliette wallet is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the reverse monogram. I do wear it with my pochette Matisse, and I wear it with my reversible mini Palm Springs backpack. But in everyday wear will most definitely go to the Recto card holder. Okay, again, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can private message me or you can leave it in the comments.